Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our online class of Gusiamura Islamia Fazil Madrasa. My dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. I am fine too. My dear students, you have questions in your mind. Who I am? I am Suraya Begum, Assistant Teacher English, Gusiamura Islamia Fazil Madrasa. Dear students, for long times, our educational institute remains so that you cannot continue your study regularly. I will request all of you continue the study in your home regularly and see all the online class. Stay with us. Follow the online class and learn something from our online class. I earnestly request you, my students. Today, I will discuss about important and exciting topics. It is very important in class 10 English first paper, Unit 3, Lesson 4, Pahela Boishak. Pahela Boishak, in your textbook, you must have read about the passage, first scene passage, Pahela Boishak. It is related our tradition and culture. Do you know what is Pahela Boishak? In this day, what we do? My dear students, about Pahela Boishak, I say something about the passage. Now, you must read the passage in your textbook in your home. Pahela Boishak is the first day of Bengali New Year. This is public holiday. On this day, my dear student, attention please, listen to me. On this day, we celebrate this day with great enthusiasm and fervor. This is the day has a great significance as it is a part of our culture and tradition. People all walks of life participate in this day with forget all kinds of ethnic identity, religious belief, culture and tradition. They get together and celebrate the Pahela Boishak. On this day, whole of Bangladesh become festive mood. We, my dear students, on this day, the day has great importance for our culture and tradition. My dear students, this day gives us new hopes and aspiration and start our life newly. My dear student, in your passage about Pahela Boishak has written something we eat. We likes to eat traditional foods, panthabat and hilsa fried. On this day, they are in the my dear students, now I will given about the key words of Pahela Boishak. What is the keywords of Pahela Boishak? Keywords is significance, its synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms means Do you know what is synonyms? Synonyms is the same word. In a word, it is same word is synonyms, and antonyms is the opposite word. Now we know the synonyms and antonyms. Significance. Its synonyms is importance, insignificance. Form. Its synonyms is structure, reform. Culture. Its synonyms is tradition and culture. Traditions. Its synonyms is opinion, partial, deliberate. Its synonyms is observe. Festivity. Its synonyms is rejoice, sadness. Inspire. Its synonyms is encourage. Renown. Its synonyms is noun. You maybe write down this word in your notebook as your note. Now we know about the multiple choice. What is multiple choice? Multiple choice or best answer from the alternatives. In your examination, you will given 5 multiple choice. My dear students, choose the best answer. Choose the best answer from the alternatives. Number 1 is on this day whole Bangladesh wears dash mood. Number 1 is sadness. Number 2, gloomy. Number 3, joy. Or number 4, festivity. What is the correct answer, my dear students? Sadness, gloomy, joy, festivity. Is on this day whole Bangladesh wears a festive mood. Festive mood. All on this day whole Bangladesh wears a festivity mood. Number 4 is the correct answer. B. পহেলা বৈশাখ is a day of number 1 sadness, number 2 suffering, number 3 sorrow, number 4 joy. In this question, B. Poila Boishakh is a day of sadness, suffering, sorrows, joy. What is the day of Poila Boishakh? We know the day of Poila Boishakh is the day of joy and enjoyment. So, joy is the correct answer. Now, C. Multiple choice or alternatives. The day is related C number. The day is related what? Related. You have given 4 alternatives. Number 1, independence. Number 2, culture and tradition. Culture and tradition. Number 3, nationality. Number 4, mass movement. What is the correct answer? Independence, culture and tradition, nationality, mass movement. Their correct answer is culture and tradition. Culture and the day is related with our culture and tradition, my dear students. Multiple choice. Number 4. On this day, people eat dash food. What kind of food people eat on this day? Number 1, traditional. Number 2, rich. Number 3, poor. Number 4 is healthy. What is the correct answer? On this day, people eat dash food. People eat their traditional food. It is correct answer, my dear students. People on this day, people eat their traditional foods. Now, we discuss about in our online class about questions of Pohela Boishakh. Questions about Pohela Boishakh. The passage Pohela Boishakh we now discuss about questions. Questions number 1. I will given you 5 questions. Questions number 1. Which day is the first day of Bangla New Year? Which day is the first day of Bangla New Year? Question number 1. Which day is the first day of Bangla New Year? Number 2. What is the significance? What is the significance of Pohela Boishakh? What is the significance of Pohela Boishakh? Which day is the first day of Bengali New Year? What is the significance of Pohela Boishakh? Number 2. Question number 3 is write down question number 3 in your notebook, my dear students. How can we celebrate the day Question number 4 is what activities we do on this day. Number 5 is when do people woke up. All these are questions about Poila Boishakh in your passage, first scene passage. You will practice these questions in your home, my dear students. I will request you continue your study regularly. Try to continue study regularly in your home and follow our online class. Listen to our online class. Stay with us. Stay safe. Stay home. Allah Hafiz. আর বোতল টোতল লাগবো চলে হ্যাঁ